we are going to begin with the career research project, which is this one right here. And the reason why we are doing this career research project is because you are in a CP class, which means that you are in a college prep class and you are getting ready to go to college. So you need to start researching different careers so that you can see what's available for you and what's required and how to get that career. How can you reach it in the future? So that is why we are working on this project so that you can start researching careers since you are getting ready to go to college and study to get a career. This project is going to take 3 weeks. Originally, it was going to take only 2 weeks because that was the plan. Read Romeo and Juliet. And for the last 2 weeks of the school year, we were going to work on the career research project. I was going to give you 1 week to work on the research and to do the writing. And then I was going to give you another week to work on, or just half a week to work on the presentation. But because we are not in school right now, I am going to give you more time. Instead of giving you only 1 week to work on the research and the writing, I am going to give you 2 whole weeks so that you can do that. And then after you finish the research and the writing, I am going to give you 1 whole week. Instead of giving you only half a week to work on the presentation, I am going to give you a whole week to work on your presentation and to get it ready. I am also going to break this down in steps. So I am going to give you each step, one step each day, and the steps are going to be manageable. So I'm not going to give you all kinds of work. It should take about 20 minutes for each one, and that's why I'm breaking it down, and that's why I'm giving you more time, because we're not in school and you're working by yourselves, and you have other classes, and you also have work. You have work from those classes too, so I'm not the only one. I understand that, and that is why I'm going to break this down for you, and I'll give you one step that you have to complete each day. It won't take a long time to complete, maybe 20 minutes, but you do have to complete all of the steps. You are not going to just be able to say, oh, I'm going to complete only steps 4 and 5, and I'm not going to do 2 and 3. No, you have to complete all of them because you are not able to complete step number 2 if you don't complete step number 1. Step number 1 is required. You have to do that first before you do step number 2. And before you do step number 3, you have to complete step number. Before you complete step number 3, you have to complete step number 2. So you must keep up with the steps so that you can complete this project on time. I'm giving you extra time so that you can finish it